ऑनलाइन क्लासेस किस किसने अटेंड की? सब हाथ ऊपर खड़ा करें. Very good. Very good. Put your arms down. So we are now having the advantage of knowing what to have online, and at the same time now we are in the offline class mode also. So you have to take benefit of both the worlds. This time I didn't have to wait for the holidays to get over. Then I will come to know about your homework, holiday homework. This time I was so happy to keep watching your homeworks pouring into your WhatsApp groups. So many of you have made book reviews by making presentations of short videos. I'm so happy. I'm sure your teachers also must be happy to see those reviews. Your parents must be so proud of you. Not only videos, but I also saw your homework being submitted in digital forms. You have made PDF files. I'm not talking of class 11 and 12. I'm talking of classes 2, 3, 4. You all have done amazing work. Your teachers must have helped you. Your parents must have helped you. So you should always be thankful to your parents and to your teachers for guiding you and enabling you to become so smart. And finally, I would say, even you need to be thanked because you are able to think beyond what we are able to think. Gone are the days when marks were given on the basis of memories. Presently in the education system, we are still dependent on a little bit of memory, but soon there will be days when we have to go past the memory level. The memory work can be done by computers. We are all blessed with intelligence. That is what we have to sharpen. We have to think beyond calculators. Calculation is done by the calculators. Memory is stored by the computers. We have to make use of the mind, and you are all so good at it. I saw your songs, dances, yoga. So keep doing that. When you go back home, don't give up on those activities. Offline के work के साथ साथ जो online आप कर सकते हो वो भी करिए, and keep showing it to your teachers through WhatsApp. Now we will be introducing artificial intelligence for you in all the classes. So learn from those books.